How to replace the M.2 solid-state drive. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Important, the solid-state drive on the production models of this notebook come with a bracket attached. You will need to remove this bracket before removing the solid-state drive. Take care not to touch the thermal pad attached to the solid-state drive bracket. A damaged or dirty thermal pad will reduce its ability to dissipate heat from the solid-state drive. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the motherboard. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the solid-state drive. Important: when installing a solid-state drive, be sure to align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot in the motherboard.